Hi, now I'm going to tell you the most basic things to make a working model like mixer grinder, helicopter, windmill, RC car, etc. These are the electric items required for making these things. This is a battery, a DC motor and a switch. One end of the wire from the DC motor is connected to the switch. Another end is connected to the battery. The end which we connected the DC motor to the switch has gone to the battery. Now, for instance, I am going to show you this with a fan blade. This is how it works. Today I am going to make a mixer grinder from the DC motor. So I have taken a plastic waste box and named it. Need DC motor for it. I have made a hole to attach the DC motor here, and I took a lollipop straw and 3 old sharpeners blades as a mixer grinder's blade. I have fixed everything, so my mixer is ready now. This is how it works. I have put paddy in it, so let's see how my mixer grinder works. How is it? Next time I'll make a ceiling fan which will look like this and work like this. DC motor is inside this. See windmill how it works. Isn't it amazing?